parking lot. 2 bay doors. We've been here for a whole year now. I'm gonna show you how much this place has changed. Parking lot's full. That's one thing that's changed. Took out a ton of trees and bushes through here. We have a Silverado now. Nolan's got a Silverado now. Bryce has got an Ombre now. The Venzer's still unfinished, but it has had different wheels put on it. Blazer that we just finished selling today, he just dropped off the rest of the money and he's coming to pick it up Monday. A place, it's going to take some time to fix this up, but it won't take very long to at least get in here and be able to sell used parts. Got a flower bed going on over here. Mini split unit, does not work yet. Does not know perfect move in tomorrow and start selling stuff kind of place. Here is a view of the side of the building. Now you can really get an idea of how tall it is and how wide it is. Not a whole lot's changed on this side of the building. We did find the property marker over here, so I'll get to show you that in this video. See it right there with the pink ribbon on it? That is the property stake. So that's the corner of my property. All the way up that fence row is my property. And if you look this way from the corner, so there's the pink, I'm standing right here. Just to the right of that big tree you see right there, in the center of the screen, is the property line. There's my Camaro, first car, ZR2 on the other side of it, waiting in line to get fixed. Low oil pressure. Jimmy that we got in from Dakota Cooper's cousin. So I'm going to be taking down every one of these trees as fast as I can. All down through there. You'll notice all of these trees are gone from the back side of this building. We've still got some bushes and stuff we got to clear out here, but nothing too crazy. Got a lot of junk back here. Some of it needs to go to the junkyard. Some of it needs to go in the garbage. And some of it's just out here because we don't have anywhere else to put it. Here's another parts truck that we got. This one came off of Facebook. We got 2 of them at the same time. Not a whole lot left off this one. It's still a pretty good cab. And it's a 85 truck, I believe. So it's got the early edition interior. Here's that tree we was looking at back there. And right in here is the property stake. And it goes straight down that fence line right there. Down over that hillside and to the right of this tree some. So somewhere in there. Here's some of the property. It's a very grown-up property. But it's very big, and I will most likely be able to store plenty of parts vehicles and more out there. The only problem is, like, it's nice right here and then it just drops off and goes into grown up area. We cleared out a ton of trees out here too. It's starting to grow up now, but this has been pretty much clear and open all winter long. We went in there and picked up all the garbage that was down in there, cut out a bunch of trees, put in a septic system, That's what that fresh dirt right there is from, septic tank. There's a cave down there. Not a whole lot going on this side of the building. Not yet. We're really thinking about maybe putting a lean-to off the side of this building. And look how big Winston's got. It's got some sealed off rooms right here. Big massive window right there. Let me go show you guys the rest of it. So this would be the start of what would be a office or storefront or living quarters area. Straight back. And if that wall was tore down, it would look so much bigger. We took out this wall that went right through here, crossed over, and went down. So it really opened this place up in here. We've got our grills on the wall, drivetrain parts, some seats over here, other drivetrain parts, gas tanks, step side bed, first gen bed, door shelf, bumpers, steering columns, on and on and on. This is the side-by-side that we traded that pewter four-wheel drive Blazer for.
There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go.
Don't hit it. Don't.
Okay.
Finally got it running. We use it to pull around vehicles that do not run, and it does great. Still need to do a little bit of work to it. Right here is the Corvette wheel collection and some other things. This is the Mercedes that we're using for the Benzer swap. 4-cylinder diesel, 4-speed manual, and it's gonna go in our Slam maroon Blazer that's outside. This is our latest investment. This is a 1998 Jimmy 2-wheel drive. We got our accessories shelf over here. It's got a little bit of everything. Core supports, radiators, condensers, electric fans, headlights, new parts, pedal assemblies, accessory brackets, accessories, fans, intakes, all that good stuff. We've got totes full of S10 parts, shrouds galore. We got all new electric put in this place. So we got brand new breaker box back here, door panels. Dude, look how big this place is. It's huge. For what I have been used to, you guys don't even understand how big this is. All right, we've also got one more closed off room right here. This is the, as far as I understand, like the storm shelter room. We'll probably put something on top of it to make it to where if anything was falling down, it wouldn't land on anybody. Anyways, storm shelter, storage closet kind of thing. Oh yeah, the tool room, storm shelter as we're calling it. It's pretty cluttered right now, but it's full of tools and utensils and stuff. Let me turn. Got a little bit of everything in here. Bought a new chainsaw last year. Got some tools. Here is the upstairs. We did do a little bit of work. We put some temporary flooring in up there. We put up some new wood right here. There was absolutely nothing there before. Like you could literally reach your arm through the wall and unlock the door. Also, we painted the door, just some cheap paint, and put the logo on there. Got a long ways to go, but we've made a bunch of progress. Most of last year was spent on fixing up vehicles and everything, so it wasn't all just renovating the property. A lot of it was trying to keep money flowing in. What was it?
You had the camera on him for too long.
All right. Ford Rangers.